say, I mean, like, in my opinion, one of the bigger things to just take into consideration is that. And even then, that is true. That is true. It's very true. LeBron has made it with some terrible teams, too. I'm not going to lie. All right, what's going on, everyone? Today we are doing 2022-23 Panini NBA Hoops 10-box break PYT 9. We have Allen with the Heat, B. McSwain with the Pacers and Magic, Brandon Bailey with the Cavaliers, Clippers, Nuggets, Timberwolves, Brenton, Thunder, GNC Wizards, Gillard with the Bucks, Henry has the Celtics, Nets, Sixers, Hornets, Bulls, Suns, Lakers, Warriors, Mavs, Knicks, and Spurs. Jerry Grizzlies, Kid Bean Rockets, Mark with the Pistons, Kings, Raptors, Hawks, Jazz, Shamek Pelicans, and Titan fan with the Trailblazers. Appreciate everyone for tuning in today. It's going to be another 50 minutes, and then we're good. We're going to be out of here. I would definitely go and fill up those breaks for tomorrow morning. Mosaic Mixer. Redback. Aaron Naismith for the Pacers. I think the LeBron Jordan. Ooh, nice. Speaking of LeBron, there you go. LeBron Redback. It's just gonna be a constant conversation. I feel like it might be in textbooks for years to come. There might be a section that says greatest of all time conversation, and then you have LeBron and. Oh really? I gotta watch it then. I'll watch it later. I'll for sure watch it. Actually, I'm gonna pull it up right now. Oh. Tell me why LeBron wasn't trending on YouTube. Gotta watch it. Let me know if you guys can. Okay, it's muted. Never mind. Come on. Oh, they're playing the Thunder? Oh my. Oh my. That's gonna, dude, that card, or that's gonna be on a card one day. They stopped the whole thing. I think you see Kareem in the background. Walking. Tell me why that's... Ooh, giving me chills, dude. Giving me chills. Keegan Murray. Timeless moment. Dude, it will be a timeless moment. Paulo. Oh, nice. Autograph. Rookie auto of Walker Kessler. One of my favorite players from this class. I know, without an auto. It's gonna be one of the most expensive Panini LeBron cards that is non-jersey, has no relic or anything on it, no logo man. To 199 Kelly Oubre for the Hornets. Chet Holmgren. Oh man, I wish I could have been at that game. I knew he was supposed to break it this week. Obviously, I wasn't going to be at the game, but I'll be in SoCal. But, oh man, the moment LeBron became the NBA's all-time scoring leader. It's crazy. Out of 75, Tyrese Halliburton. Pacers. Hoopla, Steph Curry Hollow. Oh, yeah, no, 100%. Caleb Houston, purple. Magic. Will anybody even get close to breaking his record? LeBron or even being around there. Oh, really? 2022, Pascal Siakam, road to the finals. Paulo. I know. Oh, my God. I see it. I see it. That's crazy. Benny Math. They stopped the whole thing, too. Mobley. Jabari Smith. I don't think we're going to see one in this generation. I think 2022, Giannis. I think Giannis, I was going to say Giannis, but not him scoring. He would have had to be good from the get-go in order for there to be even a chance that he would have the longevity. Yeah, there's got to be something going on with LeBron. I'm convinced at 38, there's no way he should be scoring 30 points. He's more athletic than some people out there at athletic peak. Wade, Redback. Appreciate everyone for tuning in. We do have breaks tomorrow. Would definitely go and take a look at those breaks. They won't. They're not going to have LeBron's longevity. There's not a lot of players that can play that long and have... There's actually no way that there's anybody that has the peak, or that has, like, the athletic peak of LeBron, where he could play till, like, literally wait a whole generation to see his son play, be in the league with him. Like, it's crazy to think about that. Not a lot of NBA dads or even NFL type like that. Like, not a lot of situations where that would even happen, one, but two, the amount of James Harden Redback. How good LeBron is still, like, man. Understandable, Shazzy. I don't want to prepare for that too. Not yet, at least. $9.99 Jason Tatum. But I'm every day we're not getting any younger. Benny Mathurin. Duran, Devin Booker, Hypnotize. Jaden Ivey. Malcolm Brogdon, 199. Celtics. We talked about him yesterday. I do work out, but unfortunately, man, I've had a few bad days in terms of I was at the gym and I tweaked something 2 weeks ago, and it got worse for a little bit before it got better at a 75. Gary Payton. It was tough sledding for the gym. I haven't been able to really go. I've done leg day. That's about it. Chet, LeBron, hoopla. Right. I'm trying to get myself out of being lazy. I'm trying to seek more motivation, I guess, on certain things. Keegan Murray class action. Yeah, I tweaked my back and it got worse as the days went on. Like, I don't really experience having worse symptoms. Not symptoms, but 2022 Jaylen Brown. Like a worse injury the next day. But man, Keegan Murray, LeBron Prime Twine. I don't even know how to explain it. Paulo Banchero. It was not fun waking up some of those days. Yeah, it's good. Very good. I love hooping. Wendell Moore Jr. Rookie auto for the Wolves. Oh, that's sick. You just get to go in and shoot hoops. That's cool. Yeah. Ooh, we're getting some good red backs. Giannis. Before, I'm trying to think. Also, did I put the wrong pile together? I think I did. Before I got hurt, I was going to the gym every day. Or, not every day. Like 5 times a week. Weekends, I have Friday, Saturday have off. I go Sunday. I'll usually go Saturday too, but I was going crazy. I'm still super trying to gain muscle. Rudy Gobert. I was gonna say Rudy Gobert. I think that's why I said Robert. Trying to eat healthier too. It's unfortunate. There was at one point where I couldn't even look up. Like my upper back wouldn't allow me to look up. But now I'm good. Brad Beal out of 10. Nice. Artist proof gold. Paulo. Oh, yeah. I'm fairly Ben Matherin for, yeah, how much I eat too and what I eat. I've been getting better. Clay, $9.99. Road to the finals. Warriors. I can afford to eat healthier for sure. I thought Jabari Smith. I thought that was Tari Eason for a second. Jabari Smith. But I'm fairly skinny myself, so I don't like I don't like to make that excuse not to go to the gym, right? Elton Brand, Sixers autograph. Oh boy, that's a lot. That's a lot right there, Shazzy. I don't know if you want to do all that. I know you said used to. Jaden Ivey. Jabari Smith. $9.99. Or not $9.99. 2022 Jason Tatum. Paulo rookie special. Oh yeah. Diabetes runs in my family. Oh, that's a sick one. The ROTY? Rookie of the year? Yeah. Chet. Oh, yeah. I understand that, Shazzy. That's why I'm trying to eat healthier, too. Out of 25, artist proof, Aaron Wiggins. Benedict Mathurin holo. We got next. Keegan Murray. Yeah, but I'm trying to make those habits start a lot earlier than before before I have to realize it, you know? Okay, Shazzy. Noted. Yeah. I think also I've been living by myself too, so I've been trying to hold myself more accountable, but it's funny that I bring that up. I'm actually moving in with people, so I think honestly it's gonna keep me more responsible. I don't know why that's red back, Davion. Been going to the gym. Trying to eat, for sure trying to eat better. I have a sweet tooth and I know that, so it's something I want to avoid. Yeah, I used to live by, or I still do, long story short. Been a little bit crazy on my end. I'm moving out unexpectedly, not because of anything, not because I'm getting evicted or anything, but what's it called? I'm moving in with people to make my rent cheaper, so you know, living by yourself is costly, but people they've been trying to figure it out without me, and a little stressed out because I haven't been able to see the place, so that's also something along with the injury. So looking at cards has been a great de-stressor. 2022 Steph Curry, must say. They've been trying to convince me, and I'm like, I want to see the place. Jaden Ivey. You know, I had my fun. Shazzy. I had my fun of having my own place, you know, but, you know, I think when, especially as a student, in 199 Jalen Green during COVID, like the real bad COVID months, like initial COVID months, I was at home. My parents and I talk about this all the time, so they're not going to get offended if I say something. But it does get hard being isolated, so I was in dire need of, you know, Jeremy Sohan, Hollow. I was in dire need of getting out of the house, kind of. So I decided to, once I graduated, I decided to move out. Paulo. Exactly, Shazzy. And I think that Keegan Murray and a numbered Jaden Hardy at a 99. Mavs. It's what I've been learning, especially like, and when it's up too, like Paulo. Sometimes you can't second guess your decisions. I think I've done that way too much in the past with cards, at least, for sure. Trey. And I'm trying to not look back. It's always good to look back, but not the way I look back. EJ Liddell, purple. Pelicans. Benny Mathurin. Is that Desmond Bain, 2022? Yeah, the recession. Yeah, I know a lot about that. My dad, unfortunately, was very affected by that. Jabari Smith. Paulo Banchero. About 3-year struggle. If I don't recall. Or if I do recall. Bryce McGowan's. It's going to be the third auto. It's another rookie auto. Shazzy, that's what, you know, I've been. Oh no, it's good. My dad's, I can't speak for him, so I won't say he's thriving. But He's doing a lot better for sure. He's been working at this company for quite a long time. My dad also had assets. My dad's also double your age, triple mine. So my dad has been through a lot of economic cycles. Yeah, no, Shazzy, you were what? Probably, what was that? 15 years ago? You're probably a little younger than I was, or probably around my age, right? But to put your money in the right stocks is something I'm motivated to do for sure. We'll say it's good to know people and to talk to people. You included, Shazzy, my dad included, that have been through cycles and stuff like that. You know, Jared Vanderbilt, Redback. It's refreshing to hear it. That, you know, I think at times I've gotten scared because I'm like, man, like, just like with cards, like, cards are down. Some of my cards I'm at 25% of what I've invested in. And I'm like, man, like, were you there? Were you part of that junk wax era? I think that's maybe a little before your time, Shazzy. Might be a tiny bit. Like, in terms of where you could actually make a play on those things. I don't think you're old enough for that. 99, Juan Toscano Anderson. Jabari Smith. Yeah, it is. It's really impressive. Keegan Murray. Class Actions, Hollow. My dad was a part of that era, the junk wax era, and I know my dad left. He was a dealer before. Jaden Ivey, Nikola Jovic, purple, and it's crazy because I just remember I was always talking about like overproduction of that, right? 199 Greg Brown the third, but the thing with junk wax was there really was no scarcity. At least nowadays, like, you have like inserts, numbered cards, logo mans. Like, they never made a logo man back then. Imagine if they did make a logo man. That is very true, Shazzy. As somewhat, like, that's something that I've told my friends too. 2022, Chris Paul. I've told my friends when I was trying to teach them, like, I said maybe not for you guys because you guys are just joining, but like, people, if you are around cards long enough, the card that you like most likely is going to be liked by many others. Keegan Murray. Because at some point, experience does kick in where you know what's scarce, what people do want, and then you, in turn, will adjust your wants and needs based off what society offers, I guess. Not wants and needs. I guess it's a little different than wants and needs, but yeah, preferences in terms of cards, I guess. 2022, Mikal Bridges, road to the finals. Yeah, people are getting killed on that stuff. Chet, highlights of DeMontis, Pacers edition. Hold up. Who is this? Alondis Williams autograph for the Nets. Is him and Cam Thomas gonna take over the league? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Shazzy. I made some good plays. I for sure made some good plays. Telling you. I'm into my LeBron PSA 10 paper. I should have sold it at peak. It's like one of my if it's one of my lessons of doing cards. I'm into the card for $25 or no $75 maybe, not even. I graded that, but yeah, that's a base. So if we're talking about actual thing, like I think I told you, I mean, it's a personal collection piece, but I did buy when I was before everything popped off. Absolute Memorabilia 2009, 2010 Rookie Premier Materials RPA of Steph Curry. I think I'm into that card for $490. And it is by far my favorite card in my collection. My actual collection. Because I separate my collection from my inventory. And at that time, it was expensive. I've bought 6-7 Topps Steph Curry since then too, like for my collection. Like I love what I grew up like. I was like 10 first time I was actually like Spencer Dinwiddie red. I was actually like I started really getting engrossed in cards when I was 10. Used to watch Chris Infinity. I know he's still somewhere around here. He's a breaker. But they are, but not too inclined to sell something like that. Especially with how much I'm into it for. Like, I'd rather show my kids one day, you know. But yeah, there's a Keegan Murray. Trying to put my assets in the right place, right? 2022 Giannis. Oh, hockey cards. Wow. Oh, wait, you say hockey as in like you played hockey? Or you did hockey cards? Oh, no, you did hockey cards. I was like, did hockey. Cade Cunningham. Hollow Hypnotize. Coloco. There you go. There's one of the last teams to go. AJ Griffin. Hot Signatures rookie auto for the Hawks. People are starting to take these Super Bowl Square mixer random teams. Definitely consider grabbing random teams and PYTs. Jagger too, or whatever his last name is. I hit him yesterday. 199 Tyrese Maxey. Or I did actually today. The Beckett catalogs. Oh my god. The Beckett catalogs. The good old Beckett catalogs. Chet Holmgren. I was big. I mean, okay, as a kid, it was obviously nowadays, like, kids don't even sniff the retail stuff. But I was all over the retail stuff. Paulo Banchero, $9.99. Drew Holiday. When I was like 12, 13, Benedict Mathurin. I was going to Target. Whenever we'd go to Target, I was going to the card aisle. I loved it. Jabari Smith. If I opened more hobby boxes when I was a kid, I told my dad this too. I joked around with this, but imagine if I just opened hobby boxes when I was 10. When I was 10, the rookie of that year was Steph Curry. At 75, Bojan Bogdanovic, Pistons. I could be sitting on a gold mine. But instead, I have not TJ McConnell, TJ Ford jersey card. I remember vividly pulling that. Cade Cunningham. Patrick Baldwin. That's insane, Chazzy. my like, I was into cards a lot. Like, I would say, I mean, hence the reason why I'm here. I would say, is my interest. Yeah, he is a former Raptor. I've enjoyed cards all my life. I still remember the first box I genuinely opened, that Cam Thomas. There you go. Red back. First box that I truly completed a set of was 2007-2008 KD year Fleer Ultra Basketball with Steve Nash on the cover. It's crazy to think about where cards have gone from that point. When I was sending in Upper Deck redemptions to my LCS to get redeemed, and he would tell me, can't get you the card, but Upper Deck is offering Kevin Porter Jr. They're offering replacements. And man, did that replacement turn out well. I had a quad auto I hit out of 0910 signature SP signature editions. It was BJ Mullins, Brooke Lopez, Robin Lopez, and yeah, you get the idea. And I ended up getting an Andrew Bynum auto at the time, which I think I moved to. I mean, I was like 10. I think I like traded it to some kid for something different. But then I also got a Tony Parker on card auto, and that I actually sold when, I think I sold it like in the last year. Yeah, I do want some nice art pieces, though, I'm not going to lie, but I know that I'm never going to want to. Shazzy, I was literally just talking about that. I was just talking about that. I saw that someone got a Sensational Signatures redemption redeemed, and I have one at Panini right now. So I'm hoping that it actually comes, and he signs on the sticker. Because I paid a pretty penny for that. Rockets, rookie auto, Tari Eason. Nice. I don't remember how much, but remember when LaMelo Ball autographs were insanely expensive? That was only like a little bit over a year ago. It was like insanely expensive. I told myself, I'm never going to be able to get this again. This guy's got too much of a... Woo! Boom! Artist proof gold, Paulo Banchero. Nice. Paulo Banchero. Same difference. We got a gold. Nice. Exactly. Gotta cross my fingers that it comes back on sticker. Did you get any in the mail, Shazzy? Or... Magic did the I did the Magic a solid. Yeah. It's a beauty for sure, Shazzy. Chet. Josh Minot, 199 for the Timberwolves. Smart, Shazzy. We've talked about that. Peyton Watson, Denver. We've talked about. Yeah, he was so much cheaper, and now I'm thinking, I think that's the guy I'm going to pick up. I think that's the guy to pick up right now, Paulo. Ant and Jaw, the face of the 2020s for the NBA. Jabari Smith, Jr., rookie special. And road to the NBA Finals, Jordan Clarkson, 2022. And hopefully Zion could be a face of the NBA as well at some point, but he's got to stay healthy. John Morant, Zero Gravity Hollow. And you never know. Victor Wembanyama could be there too. Hopefully he's not touted as this big player and he ends up... I don't even want to say it. 2022. Man, Sixers crushed this game. James Harden. Giannis and Jokic don't count because they were drafted in 2014. So I would say that they're if Zion can stay healthy. Yeah. No, yeah, exactly. Like if we're talking about kids that are 10 right now or like 12 right now, where they're looking up to superstars, it's gonna be Ja, it's gonna be Luka, it's gonna be. Actually, you know what? Giannis might be there. I think longevity-wise, Giannis will be around a little bit more than Jokic is, but might see Booker. People like Booker for sure. Lou Dort, Redback, but I don't think he's gonna be that. Not that big. Redback, Obi Toppin. Trying to think who else. Shazzy, wait till Bones Highland is the face of the 2020s. Wait till Bones Highland is the face of the 2020s. Football's hard to say, but I think Mahomes is there. I think Burrow is up there too. Unfortunately, I don't think one of these guys, either Herbert, Josh Allen, T-Law, one of those guys is going to be interesting. Oh, nah. If Lou Dort was a part of the all 2020s team. It's tough for me though. I think Burrow is there, and after that, Hurts could prove something this Super Bowl. It could be the start of his era too. I'm hoping Trey Lance, but I'm just hoping he's a really a very solid player in the league. Like one that garners, a lot of value. 2022, Ja. Yeah, it's the timing of things, huh? But I think T-Law is up there in that conversation. Like, obviously he's got to improve a lot, Keegan. But potential-wise, we're talking potential because he just came into the league. Paulo compared to some of these other guys. A lot of polishing that a lot of these players, quarterbacks, will have to do in order to actually make it to that list, right? 2020, not 2020. Chet Holmgren, 2022. We have 2 more boxes left. I appreciate everyone who grabbed spots in any of these breaks today. I know it's not always easy to do so. Wow, another Dominique Wilkins autograph out of 25 this time. Yesterday we pulled one out of Mosaic. Yeah, Burrow's just completely likable. Giannis, throwback. That also adds to his value quite a bit. Jabari Smith. Yeah, it's been a really good break, to be honest. 99 Allen Iverson. Rookie special Jabari Smith. Jaden Ivey. Wow, nice. Jabari Smith. Foil rookie special for the Rockets. It's pretty solid. Congrats, Rockets. There's that man, Bones Highland, 199. Denver. There's VC. Jaden Ivey. But if so Shazzy, my question to you is, will Burrow be able to maintain his value or will it go down? Because VC's value went ultimately. It isn't any Kobe. It isn't any LeBron, you know. But VC was a great player. Is Burrow in that VC skill level category? Is in the popularity VC category? Or both? Because I think production as well as... I mean, Vince Carter was very productive. Yeah. Vince Carter's athleticism drew... Yeah, injuries. It's all about longevity, right? Jabari Smith, red back, too. But it's crazy because if Vince Carter was healthier, also, yeah, social media did. If social media was as prevalent as it is now as back then, Vince Carter probably would have been more of an icon. But if Vince Carter wasn't as hurt, he was a guy who stayed in the league for a really long time. In his 40s, like we don't even know how he could have been. Yeah. He is a Hall of Famer. Yeah, I'd imagine Vince Carter is probably one of the more likable players from the 90s and early 2000s, Keegan Murray. I almost thought that was Chet. Man, really a VC super fan right there. I like it. 199 Isaac Okoro, or actually out of 25 Isaac Okoro. Oh, Paulo. Benedict Mathurin. Curry. Spark plugs. Oh, I've seen a lot of his dunks. I got to watch it again. To be honest, I might do that tonight. Jabari Smith. And more rookie autographs. Malachi Branham. Spurs. I wanted to see Jeremy, though, if we're going to hit a Spurs auto. There's probably not many, Shazzy. If Derrick Rose was able to stay healthy, maybe he would have been somewhere. Chris Paul highlights. Very sad as a Derrick Rose fan. 99. Not Fred VanVleet. Gary Trent Jr. That's Jabari Smith. Anthony Davis and LaRavia. Jaden Ivey. (2022) Joel Embiid. Well, he could have been too if he wasn't so injury prone. I mean, now he's healthy, knock on wood, but Paulo now playing. If he was from the get-go healthy, and if big men in general could stay healthy, we might see a more big men dominated league. Chet, probably more like Greg Oden. Unfortunately, he's a sad story of what could have been, you know. 9.99 Jaylen Brown, road to the finals. Last box, everyone. Appreciate everyone for grabbing spots tonight. I'll definitely go and grab spots for tomorrow morning's breaks. The cheapest football random team square, or Super Bowl square mixer is tomorrow morning. It's an Elite T-Mall and Hobby mixer. $34.99. If you guys are trying to get into football breaks for the cheapest price and still get a square, I'll definitely grab multiple spots in that one. That will be a ton of fun. We can chase Jalen Hurts, Joe Burrow, Justin Herbert, as well as T-Law, Trey Lance, Zach Wilson, Justin Fields, and Mac. I feel like maybe this is a stretch, but I think this class is going to be better than 2021-22. Giddy's good, you know. Cade's good. Jalen Green. Jalen Williams. Red. Who that guy, Jalen Williams, is going to be really good in the league. That's my thought. But I really like this 22-23 class. I think we're not going to see it in full. We're not going to see the dominance just yet. But I think a lot of players do have the potential of doing well from this class. I don't think it's going to be Benedict Mathurin either. Onyeko Kongwu, red. I think he's going to be good. But I think there's going to be better players. Yeah, Jalen Williams is good, man. I like Scotty. Like, don't get me wrong. The 21-22 class is good. I just think players may fizzle out due to their situation. Jalen Green. I don't know how he's going to play on many other teams, you know? Like, will he be that #1 option? Keegan. Ooh, nice. Pistons are going to snag something. 199, Jaden Ivey. Yeah, because right now not as many players are getting highly touted, but the players, there's so many players I think that are going to develop. Chet Holmgren. We haven't even seen Chet yet. Chet could end up being a Darko, or he could end up being what they want him to be, whatever that is. 99 Anthony Davis. Lakers. I don't know. What's his player comp? I've watched a lot of, trust me, I've watched a lot of Chet. Keegan and Dalen Terry we got next. He reminds me of John Lure. Good old John Lure. Paulo Banchero. He could be like the definition of the next generation stretch 4. Paulo Banchero. I don't know if they want to play him at 5. I'd rather play him at 4. He doesn't have to stay inside. I think he'll play better as a 4. Keegan Murray. Class action. Jabari Smith. Jabari Smith is good too. I think he's going to have to move away from Houston in order to really. 2022, Giannis. Yeah, Victor Wembanyama's like Katie and Giannis. Katie's scoring ability, Giannis's length and long strides. Jaden Ivey. And like Steph Curry's one-legged shooting 3-pointers. I think I only say Giannis because he's like super tall and skinny. But hey, Giannis is one of those players that developed into his own. Like he grew into his body. Like it's insane. He's one of the success stories. 2022 Joel Embiid, Sixers. He's one of the success stories of being a project player who actually worked out. Isn't that kind of what they said about Mahomes when he came out too? He was a project. Benny Mathurin. I mean, they brought in Alex Smith. Last auto. Whoa, we're ending off with the bang. Boom! Paulo Banchero, hot signatures autograph for the Magic. Great way to end the break. You got an out of 10 Magic, an out of 10 artist proof, gold. Now you got an autograph. What a time to get it to, because he is playing. He's going to be good. He's going to be good. Jaden Ivey, and we are ending the break with a bang. All right, everyone, that will do it for 2022-23 Panini NBA Hoops 10-box break, PYT number 9. I appreciate all of you guys for watching tonight. I know a couple of our breaks ran a little bit later than usual. Apologize about that.